To go to Market Overview, click on the Overview tab at the bottom of the app screen. Market Overview is available for all the major segments like equity, derivatives, mutual funds, currencies, and commodities. Market Overview for equities is divided into two sections, Indices and Market Stats. Under Indices, you would be able to look at all the important Indian, European, American, and Asian indices at a glance, which will allow you to take proper global and domestic cues, which will assist you in taking a better informed trading decision. Under the Market Stats tab, you would be able to use some predefined screeners such as top gainers, top losers, etc. And you can apply these filters on any of the exchanges like NSE or BSE and any of the individual indices therein.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.